All right, guys. Hopefully everybody's doing well. You have accessed this via Google Classroom, so I'm assuming you know how to get on there, but we'll go through it anyway. And this is our Google Forms PowerPoint presentation, which is going to convert our guided questions into a Google form. So much like our normal presentation process, you do have a bellwether word, adaptation, a change in behavior from modified surroundings, which we're obviously all in. So what are we talking about today? Google Forms. How, our agenda, how to access a Google form, comparing the form to the guided questions, and then we'll submit the form at the end. And then why? Because obviously a lot of changes occurred and we're still going to get some work done. So how to find the Google form. Log into your Wake ID, right? Wake ID is your first answer. It's bolded, underlined, and larger font. And click on the Google Classroom box, as you can see here in the screenshots, right? It'll open up Google just like it is here, Google Classroom, and you'll be able to click on the Google slide. You can click on a sample here where you can look at an actual guided questions and the Google form. Think about our 5 cells, right, as we do this. So 5 is underlined, bold, larger font, so it's an answer. Think about esteem, concept, efficacy, awareness, and actualization, and how this all kind of plays in. It's probably more important now than it ever was, with us all being trapped inside. Our purpose, strong positive relationships, which we will attempt to keep through things like talking points and email, commitment to a cause, right? So in our 10-80-10, the lost, they don't do any work and they don't exercise. Our found do some work and exercise, and our elite do all the work and they exercise daily. Here, one of the first things we do before we even do the bell work in the KWL, right? We got to fill out our name, first name, last name, and choose our grade and day. All the things with red stars, which is every question on this, are going to be required. So yes, everything is required. Our bell work and KWL are still on the Google form. They just obviously look a little different. So your bell work says bell work word, and then it has define adaptation like we just did. And then on the Google form, you have the K and the W, the KW up top, and you'll have the L at the bottom later. Table guided questions. We still have, normal fill in the blanks and true false. You can just select the true or the false there for true false questions and go through like normal. It's bolded and underlined, larger font. It's an answer just like it always was. All of our other PowerPoints will be a little bit different. This one, they'll all look the same. And then here are exit questions in the L and the KWL. You still have an exit question, right? Bold, large font. And you still have the L of the KWL as the very last thing before you hit submit. So once you hit submit, it will be submitted to me. It'll obviously have your first and last name. It'll have what grade and A or B day you're in, and it will have all of your answers. And that is how you'll get your normal participation grade that you always got in class. So hopefully everybody understands what we're doing. If you don't, send me an email.